Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. I welcome you to my channel. Okay, in this video, we are seeing one of the update that is updated on April 10, 2024. Okay, PowerFX. There is a big update from Microsoft. PowerFX column name escape double quotes. Okay, what is that? Okay, we will learning in this video. Okay, I will just showcase you the original block of the Microsoft that you can be understand. So you can I just came to the Microsoft blog page. Okay, so here you can be see this update is came on April 10, 2024. Column name escape double quotes. Okay, and this is available to the studio version 3.24042. Okay, so let's go to our power apps and let's see about this function. Okay, update, sorry. And what functions are impacted by using this? Okay, that's our add column, drop column, rename column, show column, search, group by, ungroup by, and data source info. So let's we see and go to our power apps. So I will just showcase you the documentation of add column, drop column, and rename column. This is updating soon. Okay, the last update 2024. Okay, so in this if you see, the update was not showing correctly because the names are showcasing in the double quotes. Okay, so according to Microsoft, these double quotes, okay, they are removing, and now onwards we are using this add columns, drop columns without using this double quotes. Okay, for all the formulas for the search as well. Okay, in our upcoming videos. Okay, so I just came to the make dot power apps. Okay, this is collection cookbook. Okay, that is provided by our one of the MVP. Okay, that is Matthew Devaney. Okay, so this is our old example. Okay, this is product table 1 and table 2. Okay, and these are the collections. Okay, so previously to add the columns, okay, we use like add columns. We will give our collection name. Okay, and after that we are giving the double quotes here. Okay, and then double quotes means our column name. Okay, and writing out our previous formula. Okay, but for now onwards, okay, if I go to this updated version, okay, so you can be see this that double quotes is removed now. Okay, directly we are writing the column name, and that's all. Okay, so this is the update. Okay, that came from Microsoft. Okay, so how to enable this? I let showcase you. Okay, so if your app is existing the previous code, okay, like I just showcase you my previous code. Okay, like here you can be see in the add columns for row number I using the double quotes. Okay, I save this application. If I go to the settings, go to the support, just go and change the authoring version here. Okay, this is current one, 3.24042.11, this version, and just click on the reload and apply. So our if that function, okay, if the double quotes will automatically change. Okay, if you are applying this version to an existing app, okay, in that case that will automatically change. Okay, but if you are writing the formula, okay, before changing the version and then going to the application, okay, in that case you have to follow this practice. Okay, you have to just remove that double quotes here. Okay, so my app is loading here. Okay, let's see it's working or not. Let's I go to the settings. Okay, go to the support, and now you can be see our version is updated successfully. Okay, Always cross check this point, okay, because sometime it will not update, okay, and you will face the trouble. Okay, so let's I go to the on visible property of the screen, okay, and let's expand this. So here you can be see that double quotes is removed, okay, for row number, okay. If you see the our previous code, okay, like for this collection cookbook, okay, that we are not updated. This is row number one, okay, and this is on visible property. You can see this is in the double quotes, but now once we update the new feature, it will automatically change, so you not have to take care. And if you are writing first, you are changing the version and then writing it, okay, so in that case, okay, if let's I go add column, so in that case you have to remove this, okay, then it will work fine, okay. You can be see here. If I change the screen and let's see this, my solution is came correctly. If you that's all friends about this version, about this feature, okay. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. Thank you. Have a nice day.